Welcome. Today we're diving into why mastering life skills is more important than ever. While academic knowledge is valuable, the World Health Organization points out that it's not the only answer to success. In fact, life skills, those essential psychosocial abilities, are what truly empower us to handle everyday challenges. Think of them as your personal toolkit for navigating life's ups and downs. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just looking to grow, these skills help you adapt, stay positive, and thrive in any situation. Let's explore what makes life skills so crucial for a successful, fulfilling life. So, what exactly are life skills? According to the World Health Organization, life skills are defined as the abilities for adaptive and positive behavior that empower individuals to meet the demands and challenges of everyday life. These aren't just random talents, they're a unique set of psychosocial abilities that help you think clearly, interact well with others, and manage your emotions. Imagine being able to solve problems, communicate effectively, and bounce back from setbacks. That's the power of life skills. They're the foundation for personal growth and resilience no matter where you are in life. Life skills are organized into three main categories: cognitive, social, and emotional competencies. Cognitive skills help you think critically and make decisions. Social skills enable you to build relationships and work well with others. Emotional skills allow you to manage your feelings and cope with stress. Together, these categories form a balanced operating system for life. By developing all three, you become more adaptable, confident, and ready to face whatever comes your way. Let's break down each category and see how they contribute to your overall success. Cognitive skills are all about how you process information and solve problems. These include critical thinking, decision-making, and creative thinking. When you face a challenge, cognitive skills help you analyze the situation, weigh your options, and choose the best path forward. They're essential for academic success, but they're just as important in everyday life, like planning your day, managing time, or setting goals. Strengthening your cognitive skills means you'll be better equipped to handle complex situations and make smart choices, both now and in the future. Social skills are the abilities that help you connect with others and build strong relationships. These include communication, empathy, and teamwork. Whether you're working on a group project, making new friends, or resolving conflicts, social skills are your go-to tools. They help you express yourself clearly, understand other people's perspectives, and collaborate effectively. In today's interconnected world, strong social skills are more valuable than ever. They open doors to new opportunities and make everyday interactions smoother and more rewarding. Emotional skills are all about understanding and managing your feelings. These include self-awareness, stress management, and emotional regulation. Life can be unpredictable and emotions can sometimes feel overwhelming. But with strong emotional skills, you can stay calm under pressure, bounce back from setbacks, and maintain a positive outlook. These skills are crucial for mental health and overall well-being. By learning to recognize your emotions and respond in healthy ways, you set yourself up for long-term happiness and resilience. The World Health Organization identifies 10 core life skills that everyone should develop. These include problem-solving, decision-making, creative thinking, critical thinking, effective communication, interpersonal relationship skills, self-awareness, empathy, coping with emotions, and coping with stress. Each skill plays a unique role in helping you adapt and thrive. By mastering these 10, you'll be ready to tackle any challenge life throws your way. Let's take a closer look at how each skill can make a difference in your daily life. Here's the exciting part. You can access all these life skills lessons completely free. Thanks to the Mastering Life Skills for Success program, students everywhere can join online training sessions at no cost. There's no catch, no credit card required, just a genuine opportunity to grow and learn. This is your chance to unlock exclusive lessons, build your confidence, and prepare for a successful future. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to invest in yourself and your well-being. Now that you know the power of life skills, it's time to take action. Sign up for the free online training and start building the abilities that will set you up for lifelong success. Remember, these skills aren't just for school, they're for every aspect of your life. From handling stress to building relationships and making smart decisions, life skills are your key to a brighter, more confident future. Take the first step today and unlock your full potential.